This is bedtime with the Basenjis. This is Zulu. She's already grabbing her spot. And Zinga somehow is behind that pillow. You guys are having a slumber party, huh? You know this is our bed. But you have to warm it up for us, huh? So let's see. See where Zinga is. Where is Zinga? Where is he? Are you hiding? Boo! Look at you. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in those pillows? Huh? Nestling yourself in there. You ready for bed, huh? You ready? Your eyes look tired. Yeah, you're so cute. You say sweet dreams? Aw, look at you. Flamingo pose. Bye, baby. Good night. Sleep